I wanted to show off a new feature within SiteScan that's in beta. I wanted to make a quick video just to show how this feature works, some of the benefits. First off, since it's a beta feature, you have to turn it on in your user settings. So all of our beta features can be accessed here in user settings, features, and then you can see a full list of both production features that can be turned on or off, and then beta features that can be turned on or off. And the beta feature that I'm going to be talking about is the Create Web Services feature. So we're going to go ahead and turn that on and go back home. Now, what this feature does is it creates a URL, a shareable URL, that can be used to display the orthomosaics that have been processed in SiteScan into a web map or a map inside of ArcGIS Pro. So in order to do this, I'm going to go into one of my projects. I'm just going to choose a project that has a lot of flights in it, because this is really one of the benefits is if you have a SiteScan project that have a lot of updates going on, a lot of flying. So I'm going to go to this Building E project, which is one of the construction projects at the Redlands campus. And if I go back up to the project dashboard, you'll see I have a new item here called Web Service. Now, when I click Web Service, I now have a URL here, and this is a SiteScan API URL that essentially points to an XML file that contains all of the details around the orthomosaics that are stored within this Building E SiteScan project. So what I'm going to do is copy this to my clipboard. And over here, I have just an empty web map in my ArcGIS Online instance. I can go to add layer from URL, and then paste the URL that I copied from SiteScan and just hit next. It's going to go into that XML file and retrieve the information, and you can look and see every single flight that has happened within that project. And so if there was a specific flight that I wanted to pull in, I could click that there. But what's really powerful is this latest option here. When I click latest and click add to map, it's going to find the most recently processed orthomosaic for that project, and it's going to display it here on the map. It's highly performant and very high resolution, obviously, because it is drone data. And what is really cool is that anytime somebody flies that project again and processes the orthomosaic, you will have the most recently processed orthomosaic automatically displayed on the map. So if I had saved this map and maybe included it within an ArcGIS dashboard, that dashboard would always be updated to the most recent SiteScan orthomosaic. Anyway, that's just a quick video to show you how to get started with it. Let me know if you have any questions.